Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from AndroDollar.com. In this video about the Vision Pro, I watched a cricket match on the Apple Vision Pro. So this can be, used to watch anything literally on the internet as long as it is on the internet and it's on a website. You can just use Safari to go to that particular website and watch it. So I'm just going to go to YouTube and watch the highlights of a recent Sri Lanka match, where one of the Sri Lankan players actually scored 200 runs for the very first time. So I want to see that on the biggest possible screen with the Apple Vision Pro. So I'm just going to go to the highlights of the official Sri Lanka Cricket YouTube channel and check that out with the Vision Pro. So that's always going to be fun than watching it on a phone or even a TV for that matter, because you can really make this quite big and in the comfort of your home, like even from the hall, you can just lay over anywhere you want and just place this on your head and you can just experience it. So let me show you what that experience is like right now, right here in Sri Lanka. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now and let's get started with today's video. Right now I'm in the official YouTube channel of Sri Lanka Cricket to show you guys this first ODI highlights, just to show you what this viewing experience is like on Safari. So I've actually increased the size of this window to almost the maximum size, and if I just look, I can just adjust this and put it to anywhere I want actually on this space. So just to see these sixers and this double ton, why don't we just go ahead and maximize the screen? So I just have to look at the maximizing button right there and just double tap, and just like that, now it is loading up. I have disabled the sounds for copyright reasons. So just like that, we are watching the match on the big screen thanks to the Apple Vision Pro. So basically you don't have to even be like sitting for this. You can even lie down, like I can just place my head like this or like this. I can do any action I want. I can stand, right? But if you're standing, you have to make sure to carry the Vision Pro battery pack. So I can just even move around in this space, right? I can move around and the display is still going to be there. That's pretty cool. So even if I come from here or from here, the display is going to be there. So that's pretty solid. So if I come close, I get even a bigger display. So that's pretty sweet, and it's like you can really touch it over there. So that's a massive score, 210, and Sri Lanka scored 381 in that match. What a fabulous match that was, and I watched that live, so that was a great experience live from the TV actually. So that's why I just wanted to bring this up, because this is such a iconic match that we had, especially with a giant score after a while. So yeah, just wanted to bring that up and pull it up on the Apple Vision Pro and see what that experience is like. That's about it for this video, guys. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment, share this video with a friend who you think will find it interesting, and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new to my channel as well. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.